We're gonna make chocolate fudge cake with nothing but a can of pop and a box of cake mix. And it's gonna be awesome. I stick with the name brand cake mixes only. Otherwise you'll probably get, little clumps you can't get rid of. And you just spread some all-purpose flour in a kind of clean baking pan so it don't stick. Piece of cake. Cake a piece. If you got a bigger bowl, it would probably work a little better. Now, if all you got is a fork, you can bachelor it as much as you want, but I highly at least get a whisker for yourself and hand whisk it. It takes a little longer, but it's worth it. And literally, just after a couple minutes of whisking, you got rich, velvety, completely safe to eat, as is, cake batter. And it tastes like velvet too. And just think, no eggs, no raw eggs, no milk, no butter, no sugar. And it tastes like liquid velvet, even without any extra sugar. There you go. Everything in the pan, ready to bake. Just use the instructions on the box. I found you kind of gotta wing it a little, at least I do. Maybe leave it in a little longer. Use a toothpick to test it when you think it's done.
Behold the fudge cake. It rises! Lower boats and after it!
Oh, look at this. Smells like chocolate cake. Looks like chocolate cake. I don't bother preheating nothing, so it took about 55 minutes on 350. And I checked the box. It's already full of sugar, so you're not saving anything on sugar, but you are saving a lot of fat without eggs and butter. And now I'm going to have some chocolate cake for breakfast. It's like cookies for breakfast!